Let's look at XRP here from a macro time frame perspective, and also a word of caution. If you are still buying XRP in the zone where it is right now, there's potentially a little bit of danger and signs for potential deeper correction to the downside. But first of all, let's go through the macro time frame, and this is the structure from an Elliott wave perspective that I'm currently keeping an eye on, where we formed a 1-2, completing the 2 during 2017, February 2017, where we had a third impulsive wave to the upside with a long corrective structure in an ABCDE, okay, where we formed a B, C, D, E in a triangle, which was basically your fourth wave over here, where we broke this triangle to the upside, and now we're continuing here momentum to the upside. So yes, everyone is bullish on XRP, and it looks like it's not going to stop. But the one thing I do want to point out over here is now I want to zoom into this structure over here, and looking at this structure, okay, if I zoom in a little bit over here, where we've completed the corrective structure here by E, and now you can see that we've potentially formed that first initial wave where you've made the higher low at 50 cents, and now we had an impulsive wave here to the upside. So taking this down into a little bit more detail, let's zoom into the daily time frame. Looking at this local structure that we formed over here, okay, you can see that we've already formed a 1, 2, 3. This is potentially the end of 4, and we're now busy with the last move here to the upside to go and complete a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave structure to the upside, which will then be the macro first wave. Okay, so you want to see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here to the upside to go and complete that macro fifth wave here to the upside. So because this local structure already has signs of a 5-wave structure to the upside, I just want to issue a word of caution, okay, that when you see 5 waves to the upside, the structure could be coming to an end, which then completes this bigger first wave, and this second wave could drop severely to the downside, okay? When you take a Fibonacci from the low that we've created here by the E to the high of where we are right now, this second wave can drop all the way to 60 cents, okay, and still be a valid 1, 2, after which it will then go back up to go and complete a third wave. So although the bullish structure still looks insanely bullish, okay, just be careful of this 5-wave structure that we are now attempting here to the upside on XRP, which tells me that where price is now, if I zoom into this structure, okay, we have to realize where price is right now is already in 5th wave territory. Okay, when I do the fib extensions and I measure the targets, XRP is already in 5-wave targets. The most bullish target that I see here for the upside for XRP is around about the $6 mark. So we could have an extended 5th wave here to the upside, even claiming $6 before the macro wave 1 is in over here, before we come back down for a deeper correction. But just note, okay, if you are buying XRP over here, expecting price just to continue to the upside without any retracements, just know that even with the momentum here to the upside, we are already inside of 5th wave territory, and the price could potentially reject at any moment and go back down for a much larger correction, leaving your investment deep underwater.